Hi guys, Billy and William here. We're at the normal golf course, but we decided to come on this side because there were too many golfers going over. So tomorrow I'll come and just cut this field on this side so that we have a nice landing strip. At the moment I put my bucky's conveyor belt at the back there. But yeah, this long grass is hectic. William's going to take up the steam a bit.
Stunt one.
Let's see what he does. But it's nice flying here because we're in the shade. Today it's 35 degrees. Very hot. Very hot. Ah, he's limping this little steam around. Inverted flips. This way. Nice. About nearly 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Just getting cooler. Today it was very hot. On flying is bad. Heat breathing down your throat. Coming down. Awesome flying day today. And this is William's go-to heli at the moment. He loves this little steam. There's an AK400. You get the AK420 as well. That's a newer one. With a little bit longer tail. But this one is awesome. Oh, I lost it somewhere. Hey, where are we going? Doing his thing, going backwards, like a funnel, forwards, inverted, bit too fast for my brain, but yeah, he's enjoying it. The youngsters can do what they can do. I can't get there yet. Definitely not. But it looks amazing. Forward, backwards. And then mastered the backwards flying. Backwards loop, backwards roll. Going that way. What's your time frame, my boy? Okay, bring it down. Don't want the video to be too long. Going on inverted, coming this way. Aim for the landing pad.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You don't want that grass to grab your blades. Then you will have a small problem. Or land in the road, my boy, if you want to go in the road. There we go. That's it. And how was she?
Awesome.
Loving her, eh? I think she flies better than your own BM4.
Definitely. She's super smooth, no vibrations, and you can just throw her around.
Yeah, he's taking this little bird with him when he goes to university now on the 16th of Feb. So he can have a heli that side to fly. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Billy and William, Inkman out.